everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the third episode of What's Gone Right. So in this episode, I'll be talking about striking a balance between two professions. So I'll be answering 6 questions. Let's get into the video. Why I chose not to leave any of my professions? Because I love both of these professions with all my heart. I started vlogging about 3 years back, and during that time I was doing my masters, right? So both of these professions hold equal value in my life. I can't choose between these two, and that's why I didn't leave any of these and decided to manage somehow to be there in both of these. Many people ask me, how do I manage to, take time out for both my professions? It is very hectic during some weeks, some months, because we have a lot to shoot, and on the professional front, like where I'm working full time, there are a lot of commitments and responsibilities on my head. But I do try to manage these things, try to manage my time in order to when to shoot. Like if I come back early from office someday, I shoot during that time, or during the weekend I have to take out at least 2 to 3 hours for YouTube shoot, because I love this. I don't feel that burden on myself. There are a lot of people who think that we are doing it out of somebody's forcing us to do this and all that stuff. They really feel that we don't like this hustle between these two things, rushing back from the office, getting ready, shooting and all that stuff. But I really enjoy hustling, because I am that person who loves to stay busy all through. If you leave me for 2 weeks and say that you have to do nothing, you have holidays to enjoy, maybe I can't do that. Even during the lockdown, me and my best friend, literally, we used to shoot 3 to 4 videos in a day, and we enjoyed that. So that's how this thing functions, and I love the hustle. There's one question that comes to my mind also a lot of times, that if given a chance, someday I would choose between vlogging and the nutrition career that I have, what would I choose? Seriously speaking, I really cannot choose between any of these, because I love both of them equally. So if someday I have to choose between these two, I will rather try to manage time and do both of these as I'm doing right now. One tip that I would like to give to people who are doing this thing, like managing two professions, or managing a hobby and a profession, is that never try to choose between the two things, because you have started both of these out of choice and not out of any kind of compulsion. So try to make time out for both of the things, because you have started this thing because you love it. So even if you work on weekends, you won't feel that burden on yourself. So try doing that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, definitely subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and share this video with all those people who are going through this transition phase in their life, so that they can understand that it is not necessary to choose between two things that are too contrasting. You can very well manage them if you manage your time properly. So like this video, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and take care of yourself. Bye.